Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna play Whirly Bird. You probably never heard about. It's kind of like a 2D game. You're gonna see me fail a lot. Probably. I'm not like a master at this game. I just know a lot. I'm not a master. I know these platforms make you go up a little. Now, you can get a lot with this. So like I just died by the spikes. Okay, I just died. How did I do that? I don't know. Just don't ask. So these springs make you go up a lot. These are like the same as the other platforms, but I think they move. Yeah, they actually do move, I think. Yeah, they move, that move. I want to get a hat. Oh, that's a propeller hat. That's the whole story about this. Not the other weird thing. Oh, I just died. Also, I always use screen recorder to record. But now you don't want to step on the other platforms because it tells you. You also don't want to step on the clouds because, they disappear. But why wouldn't they disappear? I mean, well, here's the whole part about this here. There's an invisible platform, I think, right there, but that's the whole reason why the clouds kill you. Can I tap on something? Nope. Ah! You can see I'm doing actually better than before. See, I just stepped on an invisible platform. That's actually pretty cool, huh? You probably would say. That's a little. I have to click on the restart button. I just can't click. Which is actually kind of annoying. Oh, I see the finish line. Is that my high score? No, it's not. I have a high score. I can see my high score. I beat my high score the other time. Oh no. How I had a high score. This is actually a really fun game because it's actually motion control, like you can move your phone around and stuff like this. Well, if you want to know more about this game, link in the description down below. There's something on Wikipedia, I think. I hope it's there. I haven't even. I hope it's there. I don't think I checked it. But I think it's called Google or something like that. You can also check this out on Google Play, Google Play Games. Why does it start me like that? I just died so many times. There we go. I can play now. That's annoying. Also, I can go across the screen, but I think it's really hard to do it. I like these platforms, the breaking ones. I like the really weird hat too. What is this? Oh, this is spring. Oh. Wait. So I can't. So let me go show you So this is what it's like to go around in circles. So I can do this. See? That's how I'm doing it. Jumping on the start button, if you can see that. It's really hard to do that. But as you can see there, I can do that. It's possible, but you might not want to do it. So go across the screen. You know what I mean. That actually happens in some other video games I've seen. So make sure to check out those.
I'm not worried about it right now. You see how worried about it? I'm not worried about it.
I'm gonna try getting on the spring, but I don't think it's gonna happen. It's small. Okay, that's the end of this video. If you want to watch more videos, all you have to... I'm not saying it again. You already know, okay? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.